The brutal comfort zone worksheet. If you're stuck in a comfort zone, then these 5 tips will help you move forever. Tip number 1. What are you currently avoiding? Not the polite version. So finish this sentence honestly. I keep putting off because I'm scared of... What's the real fear? Looking stupid, failing publicly, being judged, succeeding and being exposed, outgrowing people. Circle one of them or write down your own. Number 2, what is your comfort zone costing you? Comfort always has a price. It sends an invoice. It just comes later. So write down what it's costing your income, what it's costing your confidence, your energy, your respect for yourself. Now read it back slowly. If a client paid this price, you'd tell them to walk away. Number 3, who do you become if nothing changes? Fast forward this 5 years. Same habits, same excuses, same routines. Answer honestly. How do you feel waking up? What do you complain about most? What do you secretly regret not doing? That's not fear talking, that's data, that's feedback, and it's honest. Number 4, what's the smallest uncomfortable action that you are avoiding? Not the big leap, the tiny one. Finish this sentence. I know I should, but I haven't because... Make it very stupidly small. One message, one post, one call, one decision. If it feels comfortable, then it's too big. Number 5, what will you do in the next 48 hours? No motivation allowed, only commitment. Write down the exact action, when you'll do it, where you'll be, what you'll do if you try to talk yourself out of it. Then sign it. Yes, actually sign it. Make a bloody contract with yourself. If this worksheet annoyed you, good, I'm pleased. That's your comfort zone fighting back. Do the action, then do the next one. That's how your identity changes.